In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request payment from a contact in PayPal. If you need to ask someone in your PayPal contacts list to send you money, PayPal makes the process very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along and send a payment request with confidence. To begin, log into your PayPal account and go to the main account area. From there, look for the Send and Request option. This is the section where PayPal lets you either send money to someone else or request money from another person. Go ahead and click Send and Request to continue. Once you're on that page, you'll want to access your full list of saved contacts. Look for the option that says Show All Contacts and click it. This is helpful if the person you want to request money from is already stored in your PayPal contacts, since it saves time and helps you avoid typing their details manually. After your contacts list opens, click on any contact you want to request payment from. Make sure you select the correct person before moving forward, especially if you have multiple similar names in your contacts. Taking a quick moment to confirm the right contact can help prevent mistakes. When the contacts options appear, click Request. This tells PayPal that instead of sending money, you want to ask this person to pay you. At this stage, PayPal will take you to the payment request screen where you can enter the details of the request. Next, type in the amount you want to request. Be careful to enter the correct number, since this is the amount the contact will see when they receive your request. If needed, pause for a second and double check the value before submitting it. Accuracy here is important, especially if the request is for a business payment, shared expense, or reimbursement. Finally, once the amount is entered, click Request again to send it. That completes the process. PayPal will then send the request to your selected contact, and they'll be able to review it and make the payment through their own account. And that's all it takes to request payment from a contact in PayPal. It's a quick feature, and once you know where to click, the whole process only takes a minute. If you're using this often, keeping your contacts organized can make future requests even faster.